At eto na nga. Ang taas ng pitch ko, ha? Kasi sabi ko, before the commercial break, maghahanapan kami ng itlog kasi Easter Sunday. Eto na ang mga itloga namin.
Aray ko.
Ang saya-saya. Ang saya-saya. This is Alan Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss Michael Maring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosa.
Na sweet, ha? Hindi ko ma-imagine bakit sweet na sweet pagka itlogan na pinag-usapan.
Oh my
At ang mga
God.
itlogin in our
Yeah.
medium round ay sina Richard Gutierrez at Gerald Anderson na bidang-bida sa ipapalabas na action drama bukas.
Yeah.
Diba? Lunes, ang Blood versus Duty na ang sasarap ng mga bidang lalaki. Sina Richard Gutierrez and Gerald Anderson. Mare, what say you? Una, inilip sila na ang 8 p.m. time slot. Tama ba ang desisyon na to ng ABS-CBN na ilagay sila sa 8 p.m.?
ABS-CBN will never be wrong
Okay.
in the change of time slot.
Yes.
Tawag dito, it was vacated when Coco Martin's action series, Batang Quiapo,
Said goodbye.
went off the air na, di ba?
Said goodbye. Went off the air. It ended.
So, it was just proper na isang action series din ang pumalit.
Okay.
Di ba? Pangalawa, the series is something that no one can sneer at.
Yes.
Kasi,
yes.
iba ang kwento. May Muslim factor, merong government factor,
May political factor.
may political factor, 'di ba? Parang it encompasses a very vast tawag dito atmosphere.
Yes.
And iba yung dating nung dalawa.
Yes.
Si Richard at saka because Richard and Gerald, because they were never in a series together, 'di ba?
And as far as the action sequences are concerned, I was able to see it during the advanced screening. And all I can say is, pang-international ang bakbakan, ang habulan, ang suntukan, ang barilan. Grabe. Alam mong pinagagastusan.
It was movie-like?
Cinematic.
Ay, cinematic talaga.
Cinematic ang treatment, especially nung action sequences. Yung narrative rin, cinematic. Ang ganda-ganda ng pagkakahabi nung bakit nga ba naglalaban ang mga Muslim at ang mga Kristiyano. Ano ba ang pinaglalaban nila? Saan ba sila nanggagaling? Saan ba yung hugot nila? And then the cast. Aside from Gerald Anderson and Richard Gutierrez, you have the likes of Bella Padilla, Baron Geisler, Jun Quintana, Jaime Fabregas, Antonio Aquitania.
Si Barbie Imperial.
Barbie Imperial. Lahat sila, from what I saw, I was totally impressed and I was totally immersed. And the narrative. The narrative is bagong-bago. Hindi siya parang nanggaling sa baol na binihisan lang, nilagyan lang ng pintura at langis para magmukhang bago. Ang galing. Ang galing-galing. I am not pulling your legs, people. You should really make Blood versus Duty your prime time evening habit. Dahil manghihinayang kayo kung sa first episode, hindi nyo siya papanoorin. Kasi sa first episode pa lang,
Pasabog na.
siksik, liglig, umaapaw ang pasabog, umaapaw ang drama, umaapaw ang husay, umaapaw ang higting. At higit sa lahat, there is this crucial fight scene between the characters of Richard and Gerald. Now, boy, oh boy, it was mano-a-mano at its finest. Iba.
Ayun yung kinikwento na during the press con na Gerald dieted on that.
Yes, he fasted.
He fasted because the scene required him na
To take off
magubad
his
ng
to take off his
baro
outfit.
out yung sa pangitaas, di ba? So sabi nga ni Richard, di ba, nag-diet ka, napansin kasi niya Biro mo, alas 3 kinuna niya ata, alas 2
Madaling
madaling araw, yung
hindi siya kumakain.
Hindi siya kumakain.
That's the discipline, ha?
Oo.
At pasensya na po, Easter Sunday. Pero pag nakita niyo ang kahubdan ni Gerald
Aray ko,
Anderson,
ayan na.
isa lang ang
Ayan
masabi
na.
niyo, Sabel!
Aray ko, kakaano pa lang ha?
This must be love! Ang sarap, 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 sarap
My
ni
God.
Gerald Anderson.
So, kung hindi
Itsurang
ito,
balbasarado, itsurang putik-putikan, everything in him kasing-hot, kadila-dila, kakagat-kagat.
Naku, saan papunta tong Easter Sunday episode na ito? My God!
And we're just talking about Gerald Anderson.
Wala pa si Richard.
Wala pa si Richard na namumutok talaga ang mga muscles, nanggigigil talaga at fit at trim na trim ang pangangatawan.
Ay!
Panginoon.
So magkakasala ka na naman.
Parang pinagpapawisan ako
Aray
bigla.
ko! My
At may
God.
kung anong gustong pumuslit. Sa kaibuturan ko. And one thing you have to look forward to, Barbie Imperial.
Oh.
Alam mo, ngayon ko lang siya nakita at napanood na ang galing palang umarte ng batang to.
Yeah, oo.
At role niya as a Muslim lady, wala talaga siyang make-up. No make-up look talaga. Ewan ko, pinagpa-powder siya, pero wala talaga siyang make-up. Tapos, yung iyak niya talaga, di ba? Ako nagkato niya, laki siyang iyak ng iyak. Ang galing niya. Iba yung hugot namin. Isa pang dapat yung i-look forward. The great Jaime Fabregas.
Ay, oo.
Diba?
Oo, hindi yun
yung crucial fight scene. Diba? Yung talagang may hawak-hawak siya mga baril-baril na at kung ano-ano. Ay, I can go on and on about the wonders and the beauty of Blood and Duty versus Duty. Pero parang gusto ko nang balik-balikan si Gerald Anderson. Ikaw, Mare, nung ano pa ang ine-expect mo na mangyayari at dadalhin? Ako, isa pang ine-expect ko, ibabalik ng Blood versus Duty ang Coco Martin audiences sa nasabing times like. True?
Yeah. Tawag dito kasi, Blood versus Duty offers something new.
Yes.
Story-wise, execution-wise, di ba? Demographic-wise, atmosphere-wise, di ba? It offers something new, tsaka hindi kailanman nakita
Yes.
yung mga aspetong ito sa isang teleserye.
Sa ibang action drama series.
They have topped the untapped action series na hindi talaga nagawa before.
Ang mahal-mahal ng action series.
Oo, kasi
kitang-kita talaga.
Pinasabog yung mga bahay-bahayan doon, di ba?
Magpasunog ng buong village.
Oo, the entire village.
And what is most surprising to me as well is when I was watching the screening, pati yung mga extra, ang galing umarte.
Oo.
Parang walang yung dumadaan lang sa camera, walang emosyon yung
Yun
mga
new
mata.
na extra talaga.
Ito talaga. Swear.
Magaling
Direk
director.
FM Reyes.
Oo, magaling si Direk
really.
FM.
Di ba we were able to meet him?
Oo.
And I told him my comment about the action sequences.
Very genius.
And he told us na, alam ko, mahal-mahal yun lang akong dalawa, pero atin-atin na lang to.
Oo,
Di
iba
ba
si
yung comment
Direk
ko sa kanya?
FM. Alam mo, Direk FM is a genius. Kasi lahat ng ginagawa niya, anong genre yan, he excels. 'Di ba? Meron siyang meron siyang magic touch.
Oo.
And to think there were even 3 directors yata.
Yeah.
So pinagtahi-tahi yung mga
ang
story
galing na
nila.
pagkakatahi.
Oo.
At
It
ang
was
galing ng
seamless,
direction.
'di ba? Di ba parang wow.
And what I also like about Direk FM is that he's very humble, especially when the cast members started appreciating his manner of direction.
Oo, tsaka praising him.
Oh, diba? That's from Richard, from Bella, from Barbie, na para mga first time niya mga nakatrabaho. Diba talaga, they were all praises telling na si Direk FM, hindi lang yung action sequences mo ang aalagaan, hindi lang yung blocking, hindi lang yung ganito, kundi pati yung pag-arte mo.
Oo.
Diba?
Iba
Kaya
siya.
kitang-kita mo when I watched the screen, talaga, uy, grabe talaga yung improvement. Grabe talaga yung the manner in
At
which
saka
he
yung-
guided his actors.
The material for him, kahit na bagong-bago yung material sa kanya, parang hindi siya hindi siya natatakot, di ba? He is all the more challenged, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi from the very beginning, it was a challenge daw to mount this,
Yes.
according to JRB, di ba?
Ang dugo naman kasi, Mars,
Oo.
di ba?
At, kasi may timeline silang susundin, di ba? May deadline sila . Kasi came right after Sins of the Father.
Yes.
Na pinagbidahan ni Gerald. Oh, 'di ba? Parang tsaka biro mo kaka-direct mo lang ng isang action tapos another action, 'di ba? Parang
At ibang-iba.
oo, ibang-iba.
Iba ang timpla, iba ang rekado,
Oo.
iba ang execution, iba lahat. Parang whatever was ginawa sa last project, mas hinigitan, mas kinalingan.
Oo. Kaya nga ang ABS-CBN, hindi mo kayang tapatan. Pag sa teleserye.
At tamang-tama ka naman dyan. And to Richard Gutierrez, Gerald Anderson, and the rest of the cast of Blood versus Duty, and of course to direct F.M. Reyes, this early, congratulations. I'm sure you're going to be a hit on your time slot. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Miss Maring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And you are watching the Kitty Show, our Easter episode, ang Taray na Talakayan Showbiz Edition.